Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prepping. Today we're going to be preparing this East-West cuisine chicken katsu. Now we have everything that we need assembled here. You're going to need, of course, your chicken katsu. You're going to need a couple plates, a bowl, half a cup of water, scissors to open everything up, a whisk, and some tongs or a spatula, whatever you would like to use. Now there are two cooking methods to this. Today we're going to go ahead and do the air fryer method. So let's go ahead and take everything out of the box. Now these are not labeled, but this smaller pouch is your egg mixture. Then the larger white pouch is your breading. And then this brown pouch is your katsu sauce. And then of course you have your chicken right here in this pouch. First thing that we need to do is go ahead and open up our chicken, and we're gonna drain all of this excess liquid out of it. Now we've got all of our chicken right here, and we're just gonna gently separate out the pieces. Okay, so now as you can see, that didn't really separate out evenly, so just do the best that you can. There are definitely some places where it's cut where you can kind of pry it apart, but other places it just seems like you just have to completely make your own piece out of it. So there's our chicken. All right, we're gonna go ahead and set our chicken aside, and we're gonna grab our bowl, and we're gonna put together our egg mixture. So we're gonna take our dry egg mixture and pour that into our bowl, and then add 1/2 cup of water. Now we're gonna go ahead and whisk that together until it's smooth. So now we're just gonna go ahead and set that aside and put our breading mixture onto our other plate. Next, what we need to do is go ahead and take slices of our chicken. We're gonna dredge it in our egg wash first, both sides, and then we're going to firmly press it into our breading mixture, both sides. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right, we've got all of our chicken breaded. Now we need to preheat our air fryer to 380 degrees, and then we're gonna take this over and pop it in. All right, guys, our air fryer is preheated, and we're gonna go ahead and add our chicken in here, and we're gonna cook this for 5 minutes at first. All right, now while those are cooking, we're gonna go ahead and heat up our katsu sauce. So we've got a microwave safe bowl. I'm just gonna use a coffee mug since this is kind of a tall pouch of it. And we're just gonna vent the corner and pop this in the microwave for 30 seconds. All right, so here is our completed katsu sauce. Be careful because it will be hot. And I'm just gonna go ahead and pour it into a container so that we can use it once our chicken is done. All right, guys, it has been 5 minutes, and what we're gonna do is spray the tops of these with some cooking spray and let it go for another 2 minutes. All right, guys, it has been 2 minutes. Now we're gonna go ahead and flip these over and then also spray the top with the cooking spray. And we're gonna cook that for an additional 2 minutes. All right, it's been 2 minutes and these are now done. We're gonna go ahead and take them out. And here is our completed air fried chicken katsu. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.